In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress child theme in 2 minutes. A child theme lets you customize your site safely, so updates to the original parent theme don't overwrite your changes. We'll use a trusted plugin to handle the setup quickly and cleanly. Start by heading to your WordPress.com dashboard and opening the Sites section. From there, look for the Plugins area in the left sidebar. This is where you can add tools that extend your site. In the search bar, type Child Theme. You're looking for a plugin called Generate Child Theme. When you see it in the results, click through to open its details page. Then select it to view more information. Before installing any plugin, it's smart to review what it does and how it's maintained. On the plugin page, open the Description tab to confirm it creates child themes for your active theme. Next, check the Installation tab so you understand how it integrates with your site. Finally, scan the changelog to see recent updates and ensure it's actively supported. A quick tip: verify it's compatible with your current WordPress version and the theme you plan to use as the parent. When you're comfortable, click Get Started. WordPress.com may guide you through a quick setup flow. If you're launching this on a new site, you can search for a domain now. Use the search field to find a domain name that fits your brand or project. If you already have a domain, choose the option that says you already have one. Follow the prompt to confirm your selection. Then click Continue to proceed. After that, the plugin will walk you through generating the child theme. You'll select the parent theme you want to build on, and the plugin will create the child theme structure for you behind the scenes. This usually includes the essential files and proper enqueuing, so your customizations are preserved. One helpful reminder: keep track of which theme is set as the parent so your child theme inherits all its styles and functionality. That's it. You found the plugin, reviewed its details, clicked Get Started, chose or confirmed your domain, and continued into the setup flow. From here, the Generate Child Theme plugin handles the heavy lifting, making it fast and reliable to customize your site without risking your work during updates. If you need a refresher, revisit the Description, Installation, or Changelog tabs anytime. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building